In this video, we'll write our first GDScript in Godot by creating a simple Hello World program. This is perfect if you're just getting started. First, open Godot and create an empty 3D scene. Click the plus button to add a node. Select node, add it to the scene, and rename it to main. With the main node selected, click the scroll icon to add a script. Leave all the default settings and click create. Now we will write our first function to print Hello World text. Type function and space ready. The editor will have syntax guidelines for us to select. Just select the first row. Move cursor to new line and type print Hello World like this. Now let's save the scene by press Ctrl or Command S. The ready function runs when the scene starts. And print sends text to the output console. Click the run button to start the scene. If asked, select this scene as the main one. At the bottom of the editor, open the output panel. You'll see the message Hello World printed in the console. And that's it. You've just written your first script in Godot. This is the foundation for everything you'll build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.